The Settings button gives you access to your account settings. If you click on the Card Add-in feature, you can click the green link on the smartphone or tablet where you have installed Mobisign, or open it on another device, as discussed in the registration tutorial. By clicking the Update Payment Method item, you can update your credit card data, such as expiration date, or you can associate a credit card with a profile as default card. You can also delete the card data. Note that these are not stored on your smartphone. With the Profile Manager button, you can manage your profiles after PIN or fingerprint entry. By clicking on the top right button, you can select the profile to manage, create a new one, or rename it. With the Country and Time Setting button, you can define the country you are in. If your time zone changed, remember to set it correctly, otherwise Mobisign may not work properly. In this case, with the geolocation enabled, the operation is immediate. Otherwise you have to select the country from a list. With the PIN button, if your device does not have a fingerprint reader, you can only change the PIN. In this case, type the old PIN and then insert the new one twice. If you have chosen the fingerprint instead, you will find the option to switch to the PIN, with the appropriate button, useful if you want to change screen unlock options or add a new fingerprint on your phone. Then, if you prefer, you can go back to using the fingerprint. By clicking on the option to switch to the PIN, you will need to press yes and then scan the fingerprint. Then choose your PIN and confirm it. If you have chosen the PIN, and have a device with the fingerprint reader, use the button to switch to the fingerprint or to change PIN. For example, we choose to switch to the fingerprint. Type PIN. Press yes. Scan the fingerprint, and then press OK. You can clear all data with the button, but in this case you will no longer be able to use your account. First, go to the site, ri.mobisign.com, and disable your user by entering your account code that you received by email when registering at Mobisign. You can make specific registrations with the appropriate button, with data obtained as result of an identification, or a procedure from a partner. In this case, simply choose from the list the organization that issued the additional registration data, including the activation code. So, you can type them, or read a green QR code that was given to you. If you don't know how to get this data, click on the info icon. You will be redirected to an information page of our partner. You can reissue the certificate you are using, but if you are not near to the expiration date, it is not useful. In any case, the procedure will be automatic. You can also change the application language. You can check the basics of your account. You will find the nickname and the phone number, real or virtual, associated with your user. You can switch to the real number, if available. Simply type it and press update. Application info displays the version in use, the terms and privacy policies. The Preferences button allows you to configure whether you want to receive the invoice, when available, have the barcode or QR code reader in the main view, or the last one used. You can also choose whether to display full details messages, or in short form.